Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is March the 28th, and today is day number 6 of germination for these tomato seeds. So as promised, we are going to plant these. I did take a little peek about an hour ago just to make sure that they're actually going okay, and they are. So I am just going to take a little chance and get these going right away. You can see a lot of activity on one of these from overnight. There's 2 of them intertwined here. There we go. Look at that. Even the tiny one, here's the tiniest, and you can see overnight quite a bit of growth right here. The only thing I've got to make sure that I'm putting it down the proper way. Anyway, so I've just filled these with water. I was in the middle of taping and the doorbell rang, so here we are again. So you take these, you just get them down in a little bowl, fill them with water, and then they just soak up everything. Very, very fun and efficient, and there we go. So we're ready to go with the next step. So I'm just gonna open these up a little bit. So we'll just grab one here. I want to make sure that I'm on camera. Where are we? Here we are. So let's start off with this little one. I'm just going to lift them up so I can see where the tail is. So it is going down that way, so I'm just going to get it in. And then you just want to build that soil up. Just take your time with this because you don't want to cover the top of what's growing there. Just get around just so that you can get it right like that. There's number 1. I'll go with this one here. Another very small one. So just nice and easy. And you want to kind of push that against the tail of the little seedling so that it grabs in there. There, just like that. There's number 2. So this is day number 6 of germination. And I was just thinking about my cantaloupe seeds the other day. I think it's a really good thing that I started them off when I did, because they are coming along nicely, but they're not too big. And all of a sudden, our weather has changed. The temperatures are actually above 0 right now, or freezing, and the weather's going to change very quickly. You know, where I'll be able to get these outside for a few hours every day, and things are going to start happening very quickly. So look at the root, or the little tail on that one. That one's really big or long. I'm going to get that like that. I don't want to break that root. Nice and easy. Whoops. I want to make sure the green is sticking upward. A surgeon would probably have a better time with these. I gotta figure out where I'm going with this. I find when you're taping too, you're a little bit more under pressure because you want to make everything look good and get things done. So I think that looks good. Just give it a little bit of a push, just like that. So there we go. So we are March the 28th. This is day number 6. And we have started the planting here. So there we go. So those are the seeds. We'll just pop those down. So that's it. When we have some more growth going on, I will come back and do an update on these. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.